Scientists just detected something that should be impossible at the very edge of our observable universe, where the laws of physics start to break down. Astronomers found a structure so massive, so bizarre, that it's forcing us to completely rethink everything we know about the cosmos. This isn't just another space anomaly. What we're looking at could be evidence of something beyond our universe entirely, a cosmic fingerprint left by forces we can't even comprehend. Let me ask you something. What would you do if I told you there's a wall at the edge of the universe? Not a physical barrier, but something even stranger. A boundary where galaxies seem to pile up like cars in a cosmic traffic jam. In 2025, using the most advanced telescopes ever built, astronomers detected what they're calling the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. But here's the kicker. It shouldn't exist according to our current models of the universe. To understand how mind-blowing this is, imagine you're an ant walking on a basketball. You think the surface is pretty uniform, right? Now imagine finding a mountain range that covers half the ball. That's what we're dealing with here. This structure stretches across 10 billion light-years. That's more than a tenth of the entire observable universe. It's like finding a continent on what we thought was a perfectly smooth marble. But wait, it gets weirder. According to the cosmological principle, the universe should look roughly the same everywhere when you zoom out far enough. Big structures should be evenly distributed, like chocolate chips in cosmic cookie dough. Dramatic. This wall completely breaks that rule. It's so massive that light takes 10 billion years just to cross it. That means we're seeing it as it was when the universe was only 3.8 billion years old, practically a cosmic baby. So what exactly is this impossible structure? It's not a solid wall, but a mind-boggling concentration of galaxy clusters all grouped together. Imagine billions of galaxies all deciding to throw a party in one corner of the universe. Each of these galaxy clusters contains thousands of individual galaxies, and each galaxy has hundreds of billions of stars. The sheer amount of matter concentrated here defies everything we thought we knew about cosmic structure formation. Here's where things get really strange. The universe is only 13.8 billion years old, but structures this large should take much longer to form. We're talking 100 billion years or more. It's like finding a full-grown oak tree in a garden that was planted yesterday. Scientists are scrambling to explain this. Some think we're seeing evidence of cosmic inflation gone wrong, regions where space expanded unevenly during the universe's first fraction of a second. Others believe this could be our first glimpse of something beyond our universe entirely. What if this wall is where our cosmic bubble bumps up against another universe, like two soap bubbles touching in a cosmic bathtub? The implications are staggering. If structures this large exist, it means either our understanding of physics is fundamentally wrong, or something extraordinary happened in the early universe that we haven't accounted for. But that's not even the wildest part. Some researchers have detected strange flows of galaxies all moving in the same direction toward this wall, as if something massive beyond our observable universe is pulling them. They call it dark flow, and it shouldn't exist either. It's like watching all the leaves in a forest suddenly blow in one direction when there's no wind. Something invisible is influencing matter on an unimaginable scale. Could this be evidence of other universes? Some scientists think we're seeing gravitational effects from massive structures beyond our cosmic horizon, regions we can never observe directly but whose influence bleeds through. Think of it like this. You're in a bathtub, and you can only see the water around you. But then you notice all your rubber duckies drifting toward one side. Something outside your tub is affecting your little water world. This brings us to an even more mind-bending possibility. What if our entire observable universe is just a tiny bubble in an infinite ocean of other universes? And this wall is where we're bumping up against our neighbors. The detection method itself is fascinating. Scientists use something called the Sonyev-Zeldovich effect, where cosmic microwave background radiation gets slightly warmer as it passes through these massive structures. It's like detecting invisible giants by their breath. The data comes from multiple sources: the Planck satellite, the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, and now the James Webb Space Telescope. They all confirm the same impossible truth. This structure exists, and it's even bigger than we first thought. But here's what keeps scientists up at night. If structures this large can exist, what else might be out there? We've only mapped about 5% of the observable universe in detail. Imagine what impossibilities the other 95% might hold. Some researchers propose we're seeing evidence of eternal inflation, regions where the universe never stopped its initial rapid expansion. These areas would be fundamentally different from our cosmic neighborhood. If true, it means the universe isn't uniform at all, but a patchwork of different regions with different physical properties. Some might have different laws of physics entirely. It's like discovering Earth has secret continents where gravity works backwards. The timing of this discovery is crucial. We're living in a golden age of astronomy, where our instruments can finally see far enough to detect these cosmic impossibilities. But we're also racing against time itself. Due to dark energy, the universe is expanding faster every moment. moment. Galaxies we can see today will eventually disappear beyond our cosmic horizon forever. This wall might be one of the last great structures we can study before it vanishes into the darkness. The philosophical implications are staggering. If our universe has edges, boundaries, and walls, then what defines everything? Are we part of something infinitely larger, or are we trapped in a cosmic bubble with no way out? Some scientists are already working on new models that could explain these impossible structures. They involve extra dimensions, parallel universes, and physics so strange it makes quantum mechanics look simple. One theory suggests our 3D universe is like a sheet of paper, and these massive structures are where our sheet wrinkles or folds. From our perspective inside the sheet, these folds look like impossible walls. Another mind-bending possibility: what if dark matter and dark energy are leaking in from neighboring universes? These walls could be cosmic drainage points where invisible matter flows between realities. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall also shows unusual gamma-ray burst activity. These are the most powerful explosions in the universe, and they're happening there way more often than they should. It's like a cosmic fireworks show that won't stop. Each gamma-ray burst releases more energy in seconds than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion-year lifetime, and this wall has hundreds of them. Something about this region supercharges stellar explosions. But wait, there's more. Recent observations show this isn't the only impossible structure. Scientists have found several other walls and voids that shouldn't exist, each one rewriting our cosmic rulebook. The Sloan Great Wall, the Boss Great Wall, the Giant Arc. Each discovery makes our universe seem less like a smooth soup and more like a complex cosmic spiderweb with thick spots we can't explain. Dramatic. Some researchers think we're seeing fossil evidence of cosmic phase transitions, moments when the universe fundamentally changed states, like water freezing into ice, but on a reality-bending scale. Imagine the entire universe suddenly crystallizing in certain spots, creating these massive structures as cosmic ice formations. The physics involved would be unlike anything in our laboratories. The wall's existence might also explain one of cosmology's biggest mysteries. Why is the universe so smooth in some places and so lumpy in others? Maybe these walls are ancient scars from the universe's violent birth. Here's a wild thought. What if consciousness itself plays a role? Some fringe theories suggest that observation on a cosmic scale could influence structure formation. These walls might exist because something is watching. I know that sounds crazy, but at these scales, crazy might be the new normal. Quantum mechanics already tells us observation affects reality. Maybe that principle scales up to cosmic proportions. The detection of this wall has scientists questioning everything. It's like finding out your house has a secret room that's bigger than the rest of the house combined. How did we miss something this huge for so long? The truth is, we only discovered it because we finally looked in the right way. The universe is full of invisible structures that only show up when you know exactly how to look for them. Some scientists are now proposing missions to study these structures in unprecedented detail. Imagine telescopes the size of our solar system, using gravitational lensing to peer deeper into these cosmic impossibilities. The data we're collecting is already revolutionizing cosmology. Computer simulations that include these structures are producing universe models that look radically different from what we expected. But here's the most exciting part. This discovery suggests our universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we ever imagined. If impossible walls exist, what other impossibilities await discovery? Perhaps there are cosmic highways where matter flows faster than anywhere else. Maybe there are regions where time itself moves differently. The universe might be more like a cosmic amusement park than we ever dreamed. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall forces us to confront an uncomfortable truth. We might be fundamentally wrong about how the universe works, but that's not scary. It's thrilling. Every great discovery in science started with something that shouldn't exist. Dark matter, dark energy, quantum mechanics, all were impossible until they weren't. This wall might be the key to the next great leap in understanding. As we speak, data is pouring in from telescopes around the world and in space. Each observation adds another piece to this cosmic puzzle. We're living through one of the most exciting moments in the history of astronomy. The implications extend beyond physics. If our universe has such massive structures, it affects everything from the probability of life elsewhere to the ultimate fate of everything that exists. Some researchers are already suggesting that life might preferentially form near these cosmic walls, where matter is denser and interactions are more complex. These walls could be cosmic gardens where civilizations bloom. Imagine alien astronomers on the other side of this wall, making the same shocking discovery. They're probably just as confused as we are. Hey, there's a massive wall here. That's impossible. Well, it's there anyway. The wall might even affect the ultimate fate of our universe. If structures this large exist, they could influence whether the universe expands forever, collapses, or does something we haven't even imagined yet. As we push our instruments to their limits, we're finding that the universe isn't just stranger than we imagined, it's stranger than we can imagine. Each answer spawns 10 new questions. The James Webb Space Telescope is now focusing on this region, and the preliminary data is mind-blowing. The wall appears to have structures within structures, like a cosmic fractal that goes deeper the more we look. This discovery reminds us that we're still cosmic infants, just beginning to understand our universe. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is like a cosmic teacher, showing us how much we still have to learn. What's your theory about these impossible structures? Are they scars from the Big Bang?
evidence of other universes, or something even stranger? Let us know in the comments below. One thing's for certain, the universe just got a lot more interesting. These impossible walls prove that reality is far more exotic than our wildest science fiction. The truth really is stranger than fiction. As we stand at the edge of the known universe, staring at impossible walls that shouldn't exist, we're reminded of how small we are, but also how remarkable. We're the universe trying to understand itself. This discovery will reshape astronomy textbooks, inspire new theories, and launch 1,000 research papers. We're witnessing the birth of a new chapter in our cosmic story. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, beyond those twinkling stars lies a wall so vast it defies comprehension, a cosmic impossibility that exists anyway, challenging us to dream bigger and think deeper. The universe isn't just expanding, it's expanding our minds, and this is just the beginning. Who knows what other impossible discoveries await us in the cosmic deep? If you're as mind-blown as we are by these cosmic impossibilities, hit that like button and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next journey to the edge of everything we know. And remember, in a universe where impossible walls exist, anything is possible. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we think we know. Until next time, space explorers,